guys, welcome back to another video. Coming in with a quick little video here today, guys. I got me my first watermelon of the season, guys. Some people been buying watermelon already. I even had me some already, which was pretty good. Not gonna lie, it was pretty good, but for me, I don't purchase a watermelon until middle of June, end of June, early July. So I've been eating other people's watermelon. But I got my own here. And we're not going to take too long with this thing. We're going to go ahead and get this thing all open up here and see. I broke the tip off of my knife, guys, doing some things I shouldn't have been doing. But I like to go ahead and just bust mine right down the middle just like this. We ain't gonna do nothing fancy with it. It's old school. Bust down the middle. Turn it. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. Bust it down the middle just like that. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that. Where you at, Daddy? Where you at? I'm going in the heart. My daddy said you like to go in the heart of that thing. I'm going in the heart. I'm going to get a piece cut right out of this heart, Daddy. That thing look good. Nice seeded watermelon. Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that look good? Seed and all. I'm not picking no seed out. Seed and all. I tell you what. If you don't have diabetes, this will give it to you. So juicy and sweet. Nice and crisp. Not soggy at all. Oh boy. I'm going to cut this bad boy up. Get it put in my refrigerator. And by Monday, this will be gone. Alright guys, I'm going to be right back. Alright guys, I know everybody got their own way of chopping this thing up, but I just take mine and I just come around like that. Some people stand theirs up, cut the end off it, stand it up and cut all of the rind off. I just keep this thing old school, just like that. Go down with it, like that. And just come back in here like that. Get my bowl. I'll wipe that up. My bowl and just boom, dump. And don't throw that. That's a little snack right there too. So don't throw that away just so fast. I said don't throw that away just so fast. All right. That's a little snack. Okay. Come in. This thing is juicy. Look at all that juice. You can see all of the juice on the table. Oh boy. Tell you what. Get another piece of paper towel and clean this up. That's why I got my gloves on, guys, because even though your hands might be clean, I still like to wear my gloves if other people going to be eating this too, you know? Alright, so let's take this one and just come all the way down like that. And all the way around, back up. Get the other side like that. Boom. Oh, it's gonna be so good once this thing gets nice and cold. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the rest of this bad boy all cut up and chopped up. One more piece. We can get one more piece. One more piece for the road. Alrighty, guys, I am back. Got my watermelon all cut up here and got them in my bowl. And I'm gonna put one of these bowls gonna be for me, and you guys know which one it is. This big boy right here. Keep that for myself. Got my little refrigerator in my room. I'm gonna be snacking on that. Got this so my mama can have a little cool watermelon treat. And I was even able to get some more inside of the Ziploc bag for my cousin when he comes back. He enjoys himself a little cool watermelon also. So I got that for him. But man, I'm about to go ahead and put this thing in the refrigerator and let it get nice and chill for a couple hours. I'm gonna be snacking. Look at that, that's a nice big chunk. Look at that big chunk. Oh boy, you can cut that into two. You can cut that into two. Let me go ahead and give that a little slice right there. Oops. Come in here and get me another little piece. Put a little piece of that salt on it. Come on out there, salt. Come on out there. Nice piece. That's it. I'm done. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and an absolutely wonderful and blessed weekend. Peace.